Hello, I am Clariluz Vergara Torres. This is task 9, final task, describing my life, self-evaluation. Personal information. My full name is Clariluz Vergara Torres. I am from Valledupar. I am 33 years old. My email address is taniavt@gmail.com. I am an administrative assistant. I work in a great restaurant in Arcabuco, Boyacá. My job is to buy everything that the restaurant needs to prepare the food. I live in Valledupar, but I work in Arcabuco, Boyacá. Valledupar, Cesar, is a beautiful city. It is called Capital World of Vallenato Music. In this city, the people is very friendly and the food is so delicious. My house is a popular place called La Nevada. I really love live in Valledupar. Personality, my hobbies. I love skating. It is my favorite sport, but I also like reading and listening music. My favorite food is a typical of Caribbean coast of Colombia. Food, my favorite food is fish, rice, with coconut and patacones. My favorite movie is Pride and Prejudice because it's a romantic history, and I think that is beautiful history because they talk about the love in a time where it was almost impossible to cultivate the true love. My favorite book is the Bible because I think that the Bible is the Word of God. The Bible has many advice for us. It is a wonderful book. Mention some positive and negative qualities. I think that I am a normal person. I am honest and good observant. I think that like all person I have good qualities and defect, but it's so difficult to see our own defect. I think that I am a bit angry and tell the truth without filter. Routine and weekend plans. Every day I get up early in the morning. I always get up at 4:45 a.m. After I take a shower and put on my dress for to go to my work. I take the bus at 5:30 a.m. I start to work at 30:45 a.m. I finish work at 30 p.m. After I go to my home and I eat dinner with my family. Finally, I study since 7 p.m. To 10 p.m. and I sleep at 10:30 p.m. Usually, in the weekend, I visit my grandmother. She lives in other city. Saturday in the morning, I go to her house and prepare the lunch, and we eat together. The Sunday, I like skating in the park with my friends. A significant person in my life. My best friend in the world is Amanda. She is a young doctor. She is 28 years old. Amanda is a beautiful girl. She has long blonde hair and beautiful blue eyes. She was a beauty queen in college when she was a medical student. She has hair skin and is tough and thin. She was also invited to be an actress, but she always thought that her vocation was medicine. Amanda is a patient person. She works in a great hospital and she attends all kind of person. Sometimes the people is rude with her, but she always has a smile for all. She wants to everyone will healthy. I think that Amanda has to rest more because she always is in the hospital and she forget to her friends. She rarely calls to her friends and her family. Share some experience. When I was 11 years old, my father gave me a gift. I was sad because my father was in another city and had passed some time since I had seen him. That day I go to the school like every day, but I didn't know that my father had get back to home. When I arrived to home, saw my father and me carried his gift in the living room. I was so happy. My gift was a bicycle. The first time, the first time I went to the dentist, I was very nervous because I heard the dental drill. That sound is so creepy. My mother took me to the dentist because I had a bad tooth from eating sweet. When it was my turn, I started crying and I took my mother's hands and said, "Please, let's go home. I will never eat sweet again." But my mother smiled and she took me to the consultant. Thank you.